Hey Vebs, it's your girl BreeAngelique and I am back with another video. So lately I've been kind of struggling with my creativity as far as like using different colors and different techniques and stuff like that. So my boyfriend and I sat down and we kind of thought it all out and we decided to come up with my boyfriend chose my eyeshadow. If you have not already joined the Bab Squad, I need you to go ahead and click that subscribe button and get it popped. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and check the footage and see what Teddy chose.
What's good, Babs? My name is Teddy, aka BAE, aka PHROZONE, aka the #1 Bab. I don't know that much about makeup, but I can pick colors. Like, that's easy. So, you know what I'm saying? I said, babe, I got you. Let me pick some colors. So she said, let's do it. Some colors. So let me show you the colors I picked for today, and you know what I'm saying, we'll see how it turns out when she's done. So I told her first and foremost I wanted some purple and blue, right? Because I saw she did a dirty Sprite look one time. I thought was really nice. So I said, yo, let me get y'all see this palette? Y'all see this palette? Alright. The purple, let me get some blue, right? And the Juvia's Place palette. You know what I'm saying? Let me get some. You see, she got the Fenty Beauty, the Fenty Galaxy Ayo, BAE. You know what I'm saying? Take that dirty Sprite look you did and throw some gold on there. So throw some of that right there. Love you. Wow, #1 Bab out.
Okay, two things. While I was gone, I was bumping that new Cardi, and let me just tell you, sis went in, okay? She went in. And I got freaking Control Drop foundation on my freaking sweatshirt. So if you look and see a shit stain on my damn sweatshirt, it's actually foundation. But anyway, so my brows are done. So now we're going to get into the eyeshadow. So the first shade I'm going to take is Indian Ink by MAC. And I'm going to take that on a Morphe E27. So right off the bat, I'm not really feeling this because the color is catching. So right off the back, I'm not having the best time like blending the shadow out. I don't really use my MAC shadows all that often. I really only use them for my eyebrow powder, but I don't know. For now, I'm gonna keep blending it out and do the same thing to the other eye. So I started doing this thing where I wasn't putting powder down after I prepped my eyelid, and that might be what's making the difference. Cause I just noticed that like the color is way more vibrant when you don't put the powder down right after prepping the eye. But as you can see, it's making the eyeshadows catch. So it works for some shadows and some shadows it doesn't. Okay, so the next color I'm taking is the purple in the Zulu Palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to go right over that initial color. Okay, guys, wait, this actually might look good. I'm so fucking dramatic. Like, every time I feel like my look isn't going to look right, I have a panic attack. You can take a blank blending brush. Mine is going to be the e.l.f. blending brush. The e.l.f. blending brush. Just to smooth out like that top part where it's fading into the eyebrow, the underbrow area. You want that to be smooth. Like, you don't want any super harsh lines under the brow. So you want that to just be really blown out. So sometimes taking a blank blending brush helps you do that. Unless your blending brush is covered in shimmer. Okay, we're gonna keep going. You know why? Because the underbrow area was gonna have shimmer eventually anyway. that was just really fucking wild. Next color, which is going to be the turquoise color in the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe M441 brush. So I'm going to take that in to like the crease. So like I want it to be right here. I don't really want it to go out into my blown out area, but I want it to add a little more dimension in the crease. So you want to just start low and just try to stay in that low area. Now the struggle that I be having with this blue is that it's not, I hate to make Juvia's Place sound anything other than amazing, because their eyeshadows are amazing, and it really could just be my technique with this color. But anytime I want to use this color, I struggle with it so hard. And so I'm starting to think that like maybe the brush that I'm trying to apply it with is not the right brush. I don't know.
Hey, come on, spark that drum, man. PHROZONE.
Right now, like this is the best I've ever gotten this color to show up. So honestly, I might be doing something right today. Just keep toggling between blue and purple until you're satisfied. And if filling up the whole lid helps you stay low enough to not take it all the way up your eye, go ahead and do so. Because if it's a cut crease, we're gonna cut it anyway.
Don't let nobody close to me. Just pull the blankets over me. Me and failure synonymous. I know there ain't no hope for me. My mind venomous, my own nemesis with the negatives. Before I start to settle in, these sentences my medicine. Like we try to get high.
Now I don't know what to do because I love this look. And this nigga had no gold in here. So I'm gonna cut the crease. We reach for the stars and hit the flows, and we try to get by with things for shows that everybody falls sometimes, but I can move on. They tell me life will get better. I'm saying nigga when they said don't worry. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Galaxy glitter called Mars on Fire, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna spray it with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Spray. Just a couple pumps just to get it, because this is like a glitter palette, so just to get it kind of tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the brush. Pull up, test your luck with the die. You know it's suicide to walk the line, so nigga just fly and never give a fuck. We try to get high, thousands lows, and we reach for the stars and hit the flows, and we try to get by when things for shows that it's like the reflex in this glitter is so bomb. So bomb. Now I'm gonna go in the corners and smoke it out with the blue shade Plumage from MAC. Where is it? This shade. Next step, best step. Next best step, next step, best step. Next best step, next step, best step. Next best step, next step, best step. I can't get no rest yet. Flip the script like tank debt, reckless. To further blend in, I'm going to use the purple from the Zulu Palette. I can give them the solution, but they rather try and solve them. So I'm out here living better now, no regretting now. I get in and I'm getting out, never sweating now. Keep it forward stepping now. Stick around if I know you need it, but you can't force a halo on a demon. PHROZONE. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our foundation, and I'll be back. Now I'm gonna conceal with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Wait, I was supposed to be trying out this technique that Jackie does, where she lets her concealer sit for a minute and set. So I was supposed to be doing that, so now I'm gonna have to wait. This eye's gonna look different from this eye now. Fantastic. I don't know how long I'm supposed to wait though. Maybe it's that beauty blender. Maybe that beauty blender is a little ass today. I don't know, cause like this is blending out so much better. This beauty blender is working 1,000 times better. and the other one. This is the True Beauty blender. And now I'm gonna contour with this Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C15. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the pink True Beauty blender and blend out my contour.
Pulling guns out on me, bruh. You scared off all the women, been calling women hoes and bitches all night, and I'm tired of all
I use brown down
fuck about me from the beginning, nigga. I would like to go home
and Swiss chocolate for my contour shades. On my Real Techniques contour brush, I'm going to take brown down first.
last night.
And then I'm gonna take Swiss chocolate on the same brush, and we're gonna take more Swiss chocolate than we took of the brown down, and we're gonna go over every area that we contoured, like just lightly, just to make sure we're setting it in and that nothing moves throughout the day. And you can be really light with this brush. Like this brush is like perfect for contour, and then you're just gonna not add any extra product to the brush and just go along where you contoured your nose. Alright, we're gonna take some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and we're gonna set under the eye. Now I don't do this every time, but I'm gonna do it this time because I think this eye look is dramatic enough for it. I'm gonna go and reverse contour under my initial contour shade with the translucent powder, just to add an extra snatched definition to it. So now we have to go back in and use all the colors that we used above the eye under the eye so that we can complete the eye look. Throw on some eyeliner and some lashes. Now I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder to blend everything in. Now we're going to set the face with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.